So hey, what's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Kote Knows where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para maging updated ka sa aming mga videos. So ang bagong lesson natin for today is about people need plants. So ito na ang ating part 3 about the topic plants. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos. So start na natin or simulan na natin. Whenever you are at home, in school, in the mall, or even in the school bus, plants are always with you. It is true. Pag tumitingin tayo sa ating kapaligiran, kaliwat kanan, meron tayong makikita talagang plants. Iba't ibang variation of plants, iba't ibang mga klase, iba't ibang mga shapes and form. So plants are useful in so many ways. So number 1, in why plants are useful. So plants are used as food. And fruits and vegetables are plants. They give us vitamins and minerals. So, pag nagtatanim tayo ng gulay, sa mga gulayan, sa mga palayan, sa mga bukid, so yon. Fruits and vegetables are plants. So, they give us vitamins and minerals, iba't ibang mga nutrients na maaring maganda sa ating katawan. And ito yung mga different na gulay. Meron tayong corn, meron tayong mga ubas, repolyo, mga oranges, mga bell peppers, tomatoes, mga apples, oranges. So yon, mga fruits and vegetables. Next one, legumes like beans and peanuts are plants. So they help the soil fertile. So ito yung legumes, ito yung una. Like beans and peanuts are plants. So na next, they help soil fertile. So yan. Ito yung legumes, ito yung beans. So first is legumes, this is beans. So next one, letter B. Some plants are used in industries. Wood comes from trees. And trees are plants. Wood is used for fuel and lumber for building materials. Wood is the source of chemicals like alcohol and cellulose for making baking paper and textiles. So pag sinabi nating some plants are used in industries, pwede natin siya makita as furniture, as house, and ginagamit natin siya for lumber. And pwede natin siyang gawing fuel or isang kasangkapan for building a houses na makita natin sa industry, sa ating mga kabahayan, and sa ating parang modern na panahon and modern na infrastructures na makikita natin sa Manila, dito sa provinces, and sa ating mga bahay. So, plants are used in the industries. So, yan. Piles of lumber. And this one is for paper making. So, ginagamit ang ating plants for piles of lumber and paper making. So, next one. Some medicines are derived from plants. So, poppy. So, this poppy is, nakita ko na to sa isang drama from Ruler of the Mass, and poppy used there as a antidote. Pero yung poppy na yun is nilagyan nila ng lason. And this poppy is yung walang lason, yung common na poppy. So, sa drama lang yon. So, itong poppy na to ay pwede siyang useful for medicines. Some medicines are derived from plants. So, poppy is one of that. So, doon sa Ruler of the Mass, iba siya. Ginawa siyang lason. Pero that one is fictional. So, itong poppy na to is ginagawa siyang medicine or ginagawa siyang kasangkapan for the medicines. This one is the castor oil. So, yan. Not literally oil because it is called castor oil, pero isa siyang plant na ginagawa din or ginagamit din na kasangkapan for making a medicine. So, next one. Beverages and drinks can be obtained from plants. So, meron tayong coffee, tea, or char. Meron din tayong cacao. So, coffee. So, mga kape. So, mga mahihilig sa kape like me. So, na-enjoy natin yung cold coffee, iced coffee, cold coffee, cold coffee or iced coffee or hot coffee or may mga iba't ibang variations like cappuccino, macchiato, like that, something like that. So, ginagamit tong coffee beans to make a coffee na, what do you call this? Yung sa great taste, premium, yung sa mga different, yung pwede tayong 3-in-1, pwede tayong may mga flavors, so ganon. So, tea, ginagamit na sa mga tsaa lang or yung parang plain na tsaa. Pwede din sa milk tea, sa mga ganon. Cacao, used for chocolate drinks, chocolate bars, so ganon. Next one is scents for perfumes, shampoos, and soap. Soap are derived from plants. So, for example, gumawa ka ng shampoo or sabon na may scent of lavender, scent of rose, scent of sampagita or honeysuckle. So, meron tayo nun. So, meron tayong, ito yung common or mga examples ng mga plants na ginagamit as scent for perfumes, shampoos, and soap. So, meron tayong jasmine, honeysuckle, and lavender. Commonly, lavender can be used in fabric conditioner, sa sabon, sa mga shampoo. So, madalas nakikita natin yung lavender. So, plants give fibers for making cloth. So, ito, cotton. So, ginagamit natin to pag naglalagay tayo sa unan. Ginagamit natin yan sa mga teddy bears, sa mga paggawa ng clothing, yung ginagamit natin pang tahi, pang suot natin sa pang araw-araw, at meron din tayong rami. So, yan. Ginagamit siya na nagbibigay siya ng fibers for making cloth. So, yan. So, maikli lang tong topic na to kasi ito lang yung nagiging uses or wait, balik tayo. So, kung bakit kailangan natin ng mga tao ng halaman. So, recap. Need natin ng plants dahil ito ay plant uses as food. Plants are used in industries. Some medicines are derived from plants. Beverage and drinks can be obtained from plants. And scent for perfumes, shampoos, and soap are derived from plants, and plants give fibers for making cloth. So, yun ang nagagamit ng plants para sa ating mga pang-araw-araw na buhay and sa ating panghanap buhay. So, mahalagang plants sa ating industriya at sa ating mga pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan dahil ang mga plants ay maraming uses. Pwede itong gawing ulam, inumin, kasangkapan sa mga cloth, perfumes, so ganyan. So, malaking contribution ang nagagawa ng plant para sa atin. So, sana pangalagaan natin, i-preserve natin ang mga halaman, paramihin pa natin, and bigyan sila ng tama at pagpapahalaga para magkaroon pa tayo ng madaming variations of halaman na makikita sa ating kapaligiran. So, thank you for listening. Have a great day and God bless. Stay safe, everyone, and see you on the last part of this topic, plants. So, see you on next video. Bye-bye!